Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. To be honest, this is my second digital Timex, and as you know, I mostly review Casio models. I bought it because it's one of the best-selling watches on Amazon, with over 1,000 sales per month, so there must be something about it. And it turns out there is. I found several reasons why this model is very popular. I would say any Casio user or any digital watch user should at least try this model once. By the way, it was priced around $32 on Amazon, excluding shipping and tax. You might want to check the affiliate link in the description. Let's start with the dimensions and specs. The case diameter is 41mm, and the length is 47mm lug to lug. The thickness is 12mm, and the weight is approximately 40 grams, while the water resistance is 100 meters. The battery is CR2016. Battery life rating is not mentioned anywhere in the specifications. The case is made of resin, keeping it lightweight while still having decent toughness for outdoor use. The overall build feels solid with clean lines and a straightforward design. There's minimal decorative text on the front with clear contrast and crisp printing, making it functional, uncluttered, and very readable. Also, there are decorative bolts on the left and right that are just slightly annoying. My model comes with a black bezel and olive green case. The bezel is slightly protruding, giving a little protection to the crystal. The watch uses an acrylic crystal, which is clear but more prone to scratches than mineral glass, typical for this price range. Around the back, it features a stainless steel backplate with secured screws engraved with the specifications. The lug width is 18mm using standard spring bars, and it should be compatible with most 18mm aftermarket straps. This is the upper or outer side of the strap with a fabric-like pattern that I personally think is the less interesting aspect of the model. And here is the underside with a very basic dot pattern. Comfort is good, flexible enough to wrap around the wrist naturally. The buckle is a metal buckle, simple but functional. It has a resin loop that I prefer to invert to avoid catching the strap end. It also has an extra loop with a tiny mechanical compass whose position is difficult to read. You might need to remove the watch, place it on a flat surface, then use the compass. Or you can also wear the watch inside of your wrist. In my opinion, it looks like some last-minute addition to the design. But maybe this quirky little decoration might save someone from getting lost somewhere. The buttons are well placed, ergonomically angled, and have textured surfaces, which make the operation easy. They give good tactile response, but are not too stiff. The function grouping is kind of different from Casio. Instead of start-stop and reset-split combo, we get start-split and stop-reset. If you're a long-time Casio user, you might need some time to adjust to this different grouping when using the stopwatch and timer. The beep sound is loud enough, and this watch also allows you to set mute or silent button operation, useful if you need it in a quiet place like a library. The backlight button is on the front, which improves overall usability. One thing that might make it better would be having a different beep tone when entering the time mode. This is one of the things I really like about this model, the display. The layout is simple and highly readable, with large segmented digits showing the time clearly. The segments are crisp and easy to see from many viewing angles. The upper line shows the day, month, and date, while the main part shows hour, minute, and second, all easily read at a glance. What's more interesting is that you can select the date format, MMDD or DDMM. And as usual, it also offers both 12-hour and 24-hour formats. This is another area where this model shines, literally. The watch uses Timex signature Indiglo Backlight, which evenly illuminates the entire display with a soft blue glow. The brightness is excellent for nighttime visibility. What's more, the backlight duration is extended if you press any button. It also has night mode, something that's a simpler approach to auto backlight without using a tilt sensor. In this mode, the Indiglo Backlight turns on every time you press any button. This model has more than just basic functions, but without making it too complicated. It has the time mode, which includes two time zones, T1 and T2, that can be set separately. Then there's the chronograph or simply the stopwatch, which supports lap time and split time. The display can show both times, and what's more interesting is that you can select the layout as you want. Next is the countdown timer, which ranges up to 23 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds, and can be set down to the second. It also has a repeat option. Then there are 3 alarms, which can be set individually. Interestingly, each alarm can be set for daily, weekdays, or weekends. Very practical for daily use. For example, if you want to wake up earlier on weekends to exercise. This is already very useful, but maybe if it also offered specific day selection, that would be perfect. The 41mm case feels just the right size on my wrist. The resin material keeps it light, and the strap flexibility is just okay. In daily use, I really like the simple layout, the large digits, and the audible beep. Also the option to use DDMM format. All features are easy to use except the compass on the strap, which I think works best if you wear the watch on the inside of your wrist. Here is the pros of the watch. Number 1, clear, large, easy to read display. Number 2, great Indiglo Backlight and night mode. Number 3, lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Number 4, durable resin case and 100 meters water resistance. 5, additional features like silent mode, timer, and alarms. Number 6, selectable date format, stopwatch layout, and weekday weekend alarm options. And lastly, affordable price, excluding shipping and tax. And then, things to consider. Number 1, acrylic crystal scratches more easily than mineral glass. Second, strap pattern that some may not like, plus the small compass. Number 3, it is not as easily available or price competitive in some regions. It is around $60 from local sellers in my area. And one more thing, there is no clear information on battery life rating. If you have any information from your experience, please share in the comment below. Thank you. I would recommend this watch for anyone who wants the best legibility from a digital watch. Also, outdoor users, workers, or casual wearers who need a simple, reliable, waterproof digital watch. It's a solid alternative to Casio models with very good legibility and setting options. Overall, it's a great everyday adventure companion. Simple, durable, and unmistakably Timex. If you can get it for a reasonable price, I would suggest getting one. Even if you're a Casio fan, try this. Thank you for watching. I have posted the detailed tutorials and will also make the simple, basic, or quick setting soon. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.